Our lecture for now is based on relative speed of trains. Let us first read the question. A train 110 meters long is running with speed of 60 kilometers per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 6 kilometers per hour in the direction opposite to that of the train is going? Now, let us first write what is given and then understand the question. So, given. They've given us the length of the train, that is 110 meters. And here what we need to observe is they have given us the train speed and also the man speed. So here we need to consider the relative speed of train with respect to the man. So as they both are opposite to each other, their relative speeds are to be added as I've discussed earlier. So relative speed will be the train speed plus the man speed. That is 60 plus 6. That is 66 kilometer per hour. But we have observed that the speed is in kilometers per hour. Let us convert it into meter per second. That is 66 into 5 by 18 as we have discussed in the earlier video. So when we multiply these two, we get 55 by 3. Found the speed and they have given us the length is 110 meters and that is distance. And they have asked us the time. So we know that speed is equals to distance by time. So time will be equal to distance by speed. Now we know the distance, let us substitute it, it is 110. Then the speed is 55 divided by 3. So 110 into 3 divided by 55, that is 6 seconds. We are done with question 1. Let's move to question 2. Let us read this question first. A train 125 meters long passes a man running at 5 kilometers per hour in the same direction. Let us also underline this. In which the train is going in 10 seconds. They've also given us the time. So they are asking us the speed. So they have given us the time. We have to find speed and there's something related to the distance. So first, let us find the speed of the train relative to man. So we know that speed is equals to distance by time. So distance is nothing but the length of the train, that is 125, divided by the time is 10 seconds. This is meter per second. So it will be 125 by 10 into 18 by 5. So the value for this will be 45 kilometer per hour. So now what they're asking us is the speed of the train. We don't know the speed of train, so let us assume it is some variable, that is x. Let us assume it as x. So now as we have assumed the speed to be x and we've already got the speed of man, let us find the relative speed. So the relative speed also depends on the direction. So as it is in the same direction, you have to subtract one from each other. But how do we need to subtract? Here we get a doubt of what to subtract after what. But obviously a train moves faster than a man in any case. So let us assume x is greater than 5. So now the relative speed will be x minus 5. Let us equate it. X minus 5 is 45. So x will be 45 plus 5. That is 50. With this, we are done with category 2.